Hi guys, welcome back with another video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix the error that arises during the installation of Windows or any other operating system that your media driver is not found. As you can see in this video, I will just a moment I will show you the error that the media driver was not found. So let's get started this video, and first of all let me explain you why this error is occurring. So basically there are three things. The first thing is your disk drive. Either it's a hard disk drive or either it's a SSD. And then there is the bootable USB that you created using any software like Rufus or any other software. And then the last thing, that is your operating system. Okay, these three things should be in sync to install any operating system, right? So first of all, your disk drive, your hard disk, your storage, it should be in the same partition scheme as your USB. Alright. So for example, if I open Rufus now, there is an option for partition scheme and the default is GPT. You will see that the GPT partition scheme and the target system is UEFI or non-CSM. So if you select GPT here, your hard disk should be in GPT mode. Your hard disk should be in GPT partition scheme. Otherwise, you will get the error that your media driver is not found, right? And you have to go to your BIOS and put your computer in UEFI mode. I already made a video about how to put computer in a UEFI mode. Go check the link in the description. Alright. And if you select here MBR, then the target system is both UEFI or CSM, doesn't matter, right? But the main problem is your disk drive. You cannot know for sure that your disk drive is in MBR or GPT. In this same video, I will show you how to convert from MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR. But there should be no data in the hard disk. It will format all the data and then it will convert from GPT to MBR and MBR to GPT, whatever you want. If you are stuck in this step and your data is not that important and you just want to format everything and it doesn't matter to you, then you can follow these steps and convert your disk drive to GPT. So first of all, just make sure that you created in the GPT or MBR. You have to know that your USB is created in MBR or GPT, whatever it is. You have to know that. After that, you will follow the steps. So during the installation, what you will do is close this and click on repair your computer and select the language. Here you will select troubleshoot and then click on command prompt. After that, here you will type disk part without any spaces. You will type disk part and now you will type list space disk. After typing this, you will find out all the disk that is present into your computer, that is connected to your computer. So you will type select disk, whatever it is. In my case it's 0, so I will type 0. And after that you will just type clean and press enter. This will clean out all the disk. All the data will be removed from the disk, the whole hard disk, all the data will be removed. After that you will type convert GPT, and the last step is that you will type create partition primary. With the spaces you will type create then space partition then space primary, and your disk will be successfully created. Now you can type exit and close this. After this you will reboot your computer and follow the same step to boot from your USB and you will find no error. As you can see, I booted my laptop again and I created these partitions and the first one is 100 GB, and then there are two other partitions. And I want to install my Windows in 100 GB partition. That will be the C partition. So I will press enter and the Windows installation is started. So that's the video of today. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.